Enchanting Sousse, a journey through time and beauty. In the land where the sun kisses the sea lies Sousse, a symphony of colors, culture, and charm. Join us as we embark on an odyssey through the kaleidoscope of beauty that is Sousse. Step into the heart of Sousse, where the air is perfumed with the scent of exotic spices and the melodies of ancient tales dance on the breeze. Lose yourself amidst the vibrant tapestry of the market, where every corner holds a story waiting to be discovered. Behold the splendor of Sousse's heritage as you wander through the labyrinthine streets of the Medina, where time seems to stand still amidst the echoes of bygone eras. Let the grandeur of the Great Mosque inspire awe as its minarets reach for the heavens, a testament to the city's enduring spirit. Soothe your soul upon the sun-drenched shores of Sousse, where the whispers of the sea beckon you to embrace moments of tranquility. Whether you seek adventure in the depths of its waters or solace in the warmth of its sands, Sousse offers a sanctuary for the soul. Explore the remnants of ancient civilizations as you wander through Sousse's coastal fortifications and archaeological sites, where the whispers of history echo through the ages. From the imposing walls of the ribbon to the ruins of the Punic port, every step is a journey through time. As the sun bids adieu to another day, casting its final embrace over the horizon, we invite you to linger in the magic of Sousse. For in this haven of beauty and wonder, every moment is a masterpiece waiting to be cherished. Good vibes only.